Hi and welcome to MJK Blasting. So today we've got something a little bit different. We've got 5 props of a helicopter's just been taken out of commission and the customer wants to have these on display. So these are aluminium and we've got to strip all the paint off, get them back to bare metal so they can then coat them and put them on their display. So we're going to first of all check the ends. So the best way with any blasting is to apply some masking tape and then we'll apply some duct tape over the top. The duct tape takes the abuse but ends up a bit of a gooey mess sometimes if you've gone too hard at it. But then the masking tape underneath allows you to peel it off. So that or any polythene always helps. So right, let's get this done. Doorbell. So that's all done. I've now got to go and answer the doorbell because somebody's just turned up, and then I'll get on with the blasting. Right, okay, so that's that all blasted. Just need to demask them all, give them the clean off, and then that's ready for the customer to take away. As they're dry blasted, they're all in a matte finish. It's down to the customer to decide whether he wants to go Vapour Blasting, so that will make it a satin finish. So we do a lot of bite parts, engine manifolds, things like that. Anything brass, magnesium, copper, it comes out really nice. So if you like that, please like, share, subscribe, and see you in my next one. Cheers.